So this is time for our social study class. So we are in the chapter named as what? Yes, globe, map and art. So we learned all about globe, map and the rotation, latitude, longitude and the rotation and revolution, two movements of Earth. That's all. And now last day we discussed about all the objective type questions and answers and gave you some homework, and today I will give you we will discuss about some question answers, definitions and differences. Okay, so let us start. So your homework was write true for the right statement and false for the wrong statements. Now check your answer with my answer. Okay. Question number 1. The USA is in South America. False. But then what is the right answer? The USA is in North America. Okay. Next, in the North and South Pole, duration of day and night is for 6 months. Answer is true. Next, question number 3. On June 21st, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun. Answer true. Next, the Pacific Ocean is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce. Answer false. So, what is the right answer? The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce. Question number 5. The Arctic Ocean surrounds the white continent of Antarctica. Answer is false. What is the correct answer? The Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean surrounds the white continent of Antarctica. Question number 6. Location of a place can be described by using latitude and longitude. Answer is true. Next, Christopher Columbus discovered South America. Answer is false. So, the correct answer is Christopher Columbus discovered North America. Question number 8. Great Barrier Reef is an important tourist attraction of Australia. Answer true. Question number 9. Europe is located in southern hemisphere. Answer is false. Europe is located in northern hemisphere. Next, question number 10. The floor of the ocean is made of tall mountains. Answer is false. The floor of the ocean is made up of flat plains. Is the correct answer. Question number 11. The Southern Ocean is a frozen ocean. Answer true. Axes, latitude, longitudes, all are imaginary lines. Answer is true. Okay. So, we will go to define. This is define. Definition of some. So, question number 1. Globe. What is globe? That is definition of globe. Miniature model of our planet Earth is called globe. Question number 2. Continents. Large masses of land on the earth that are surrounded by water on all sides are called continents. Oceans. The large masses of water that separate the continents are called oceans. Indian subcontinent. India and its neighboring countries are collectively called the Indian subcontinent. Next, Dakshin, Gangotri and Maitri. Indian research stations in Antarctica is named as Dakshin, Gangotri and Maitri. Next, island continent. Australia, the smallest continent of the world, is also known as island continent. Latitude and longitude. Latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines drawn on maps and globes to help us locate places. Rotation. Our Earth rotates from west to east in a spinning movement around its own axis. This is called rotation. It causes day and night. Revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. It takes about 365 days and causes season change. Next, orbit. The fixed oval path on which our earth moves around the sun is called orbit. Okay? That's all for the definition. There are 10 definitions. You always remember this definition. Okay? Next. Answer the following. How many continents are there in the world? Name them. There are 7 continents in our world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Next, name the oceans. There are 5 oceans on Earth. They are the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Arctic and the Antarctic or Southern Ocean. Okay. Next, question number 3. Write a brief note on Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world. It lies in northern hemisphere. Half of the world's population lives here. Next, state some important features of Africa. Important features of Africa are: it is the second largest continent. Next, it is located both in the northern and southern hemisphere. Next point, the largest desert Sahara and the longest river Nile both are located in this continent. Question number 5. Name the continents totally located in the northern hemisphere and the continents of southern hemisphere. The continents located totally in northern hemisphere are North America, Europe and Asia. The continents located totally in the southern hemisphere are Australia and Antarctica. Next question. Water sea. Name some important seas of the world. Water bodies, answer is water bodies which are smaller than oceans are called seas. Some important seas of the world are Arabian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Dead Sea, etc. Next, how day and night occur in our planet Earth. Our Earth rotates on its own axis. Each rotation takes 24 hours. While rotating, it moves around the sun. While the parts of the Earth that faces the sun have day and the opposite part remains in dark and experience night. Next, explain how northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere have opposite seasons at the same time. As the Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degrees to the plane of the orbit, sometimes northern hemisphere tilted towards the sun and getting direct sun rays. This is the time of summer in northern hemisphere. But at this time, the southern hemisphere gets slanting rays, which causes less heat and causes winter. When the southern hemisphere tilted towards the sun, it is summer. There are winter in northern hemisphere. Next, definition between the following. Rotation and revolution. Rotation here, revolution here. There are 3 differences. It is spinning movement of the earth on its own axis, and it is the movement of the earth around sun. Next, one rotation takes 24 hours, one revolution takes about 365 days. Rotation causes day and night on earth. Revolution causes season change on our earth. Okay. Next is oceans and seas. Ocean. Large masses of water that separate the continents called ocean. Oceans. Next, here the seas are water bodies smaller than oceans, and oceans separate the continents. Seas are surrounded by land. Next, globe and map. Globe, map. You should always write, whenever you write the differences, you should always here write like that. Write like that. Globe and map. Globe is the miniature model of the earth. Map is the visual representation of the earth's surface drawn on a flat base. On a globe, we can't see all the continents and oceans at a glance. On a map, we can see all the continents and oceans at a glance. Axis and orbit. Axis and orbit. Axis is the imaginary line runs through the center of the earth. Orbit is the oval path of the earth around the sun. Axis is a straight line. Orbit is a oval. I am telling you once again, you always, whenever you write the differences, you should write like that. Okay? Give reasons. Antarctica is called the white continent. As the continent is very cold because it is covered with ice and snow all the year round, it is called the white continent. Different places of the earth, next question, different places of the earth have different time. As our planet earth is round and rotates on its own axis, when it faces the sun, that very portion experience day and opposite side remain in dark and experience night. So different parts of the earth have different time. So these are all of the question answers about this chapter. You should learn the chapter, learn the whole chapter and the question answers properly. This much for today. So bye till next class.